Tesla has break through this downward trend. Can we buy now? Where is the next target price? I'm going to give you the target price prediction and also give you a small alert about we are in the overbought zone. So which is the yellow candle here. Is it good time to buy now? No, we need to wait. They have a correction first. Okay. If you follow my channel, I also mentioned we are building the base here. The bottom is around here and also the purest bottom is here. How to tell? I mentioned many times we can use the volume pattern and we can use YM chip entry. If you don't have this indicator, please subscribe it. It will help you to make a lot of money. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Okay, I subscribe, share with your friend. This is only for education purpose. Now we look at the weekly chart. Last video I mentioned we just finished the bottom chips, all right? We just finished. What does it mean finish? It means this is the bottom zone. The investor, the big organization, basically they taking the stock here. So every single time is a relative low point. Okay, I mentioned many times. The last time it happened basically is back to 2019, is all the way going up. All the way going up. Here also 2018, 2019, and all they go up. Okay, so I want to show you something. What's going on now? So where is the next target price? Please watch my last video as well. I will put in the end of this video. I'm not going to repeat, but in long terms, we are right now is still far from the peak. It still have room to go. But for short term, we will have some risk because we have the overbought signal. Okay, so I'm going to show you where is the next target price, for the short term. Okay, so if we look at this, let's say you don't have my indicator, okay? So I'm going to draw you something. Our last pattern here, the bottom, right? If you look at the pattern, what does it look like? Does it remind you of something? Does it look like the my favorite pattern? This is the head and shoulder pattern. And basically here, we also have a head and shoulder pattern. And they are quite similar, I would say. Why? Because the left shoulder is higher than the right shoulder. Is it very, very strong? Not really. The momentum is not the stronger yet. Not yet. We just break through the trend line. But remember, the momentum is not stronger yet. Stronger is not yet happening. Okay. So don't expect it will go all the way to the peak. No, it will need a correction. And what I want to show you is something interesting is here. Okay, head and shoulder this, right? The last time, if we extend this shoulder line, basically the bottom touch here as a support as well. Okay, so, and I want to show you another thing with Fibonacci. So the last time, if we put the shoulder here is 1, and then we put here is 0. Basically, if you do the extension, it go to 1.414. Okay, 1.414. Basically, you can see this candle did not really go above. We close below this line. Okay, they stop around here. So if we do the same, where does it stop? Basically, stop around 260, 260, 260. So we are getting really, really close. We are getting really, really close. If they follow the last pattern, it's very possible we will have a correction also. Maybe not so long, but we will still have the risk to have the correction. That's why I say maybe we remember we buy with low risk. Okay, we buy with low risk. We don't buy with high risk. Okay, so this is a prediction for 260. Around 260 is a signal. Okay, so let's say if you don't know how to draw this kind of thing, you cannot see this kind of thing. So you use my indicator called YM cup long and YM cup fast. Okay, so you can see what happened is both line is going upward. Do we need to sell now? No, not yet. Okay, but is it good time to buy? No, because it's way too far from the red line. Way too far from the red line. We can buy here when we go above both line. Basically, this one is our entering point. Okay, first we have YM cheapest. and they will have one candle go above both line, both blue and both red. So this will be our buy signal here is around, let's say here is around 160, and so far we are 246 already. Okay, you can see the range, how much we get here. From here is about 50% already, 50% already. Okay, and we also have some free candles here. We have some small chips coming in here also. We have some institution coming in here. Okay, so basically here is also a good point. It's around 170 and go up to right now. So if you follow these two channels, you are making 50%. 50%. Okay, not yet selling. Not yet selling. It's not yet. How to sell? At least, okay, if you want to maximize your profit, minimum, you need to go down. If we buy here, right, we can sell. If we can reduce when they go back to the red line, or the red line change direction. Now, not yet, not yet, okay? Another thing is YM chippers. This one to tell you how the bottom and how the peak going on. So what's going on now? We are still very strong. We are still on the way going, okay? We still have room to go. So that's why we are still holding the stock, right? This is for education purpose. But what I want to bring you a signal is right now we are in the overbought zone. You don't need to sell right away, no. But you can check with OBOS the signal, or you can check with YM cup long, YM cup fast. When depends where you buy. If you buy here, you can hold it until they drop below the blue. Okay, but if you buy somewhere here, if you want to maximize your profit, you can sell when you drop below the red. Okay, so basically here, when they drop below the red, it means they are quite start to get weaker, but the trend is still go upward. So this one, when they drop below, basically when they go above again, is another buy point. Okay, so basically this is a very good indicator. If you don't have it, you can subscribe in the link below in the description. You can unsubscribe anytime just to try it. Okay, so how about if we look at the weekly chart? The weekly chart, we don't need to look at the YM Club long. We can look at YM Club fast. So you can see for long-term investor, if we look at the weekly chart, you will buy here basically because the red changing direction. And we have a lot of chips going on, and they have one candle go above the red line. So this is our buy point. Basically, you still hold it. You sell it until, if you're long-term investor, you sell it until they drop below the red. So for example, you buy here, you sell here. You buy here, you sell, basically they drop below here. So you're making pretty good profit for long-term investor. Okay, so we need to be smart about our investment. You need to use some indicator, some new indicator for you to have a better strategy. Okay, so if you are still using the old way, if of course the old way still work, right? But you're taking much more effort than other people. With my indicator, it's much easier. Okay, so again, if you don't have my indicator, you can still draw the head and shoulder and draw the Fibonacci to check where is the next target, and most likely they will come back down. Maybe they touch the black line again, or they touch the blue line again. Okay, so this is the update today, and click like, subscribe, share with your friend if you like this video. I see you in the next video. Bye.